Hey guys, do you want to become an entrepreneur and you have a dream to have your own startup? Then this video is for you, because in this video I am going to share with you 6 books which I also want to read because I have also the same dream to become an entrepreneur. So I feel that these 6 books are going to help me. Hey, in this video I am going to share with you all those books. So hello guys, I am Adarsh and welcome to my YouTube channel Reader Alliance. Here we talk about books, we review books, and we also unbox books sometime. So if you are a book lover, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you get the video notification personally. So guys, let's start the video. So here the first book. The first book is 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. So guys, this book have a very great reviews from very successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and so on. So that's why I feel that this book is going to help me a lot to found my own startup, because the author is also an entrepreneur from his itself. So that's why I feel that he is a right person to guide me to found my own startup from 0 to 1 to top. So guys, after that, here the second book comes, which is The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. So guys, this book is going to teach you about the discipline in your startup or in your business, how you can apply discipline, or how you can avoid mistakes which is held just because of lack of discipline. So I feel that having your own startup is great, but without discipline anything is not work for long time. So that's why I feel that this book is going to help me and also maybe help you too. So after that, the third book is Shoe Dog by Phil Knight. So basically this is the case study of Nike, which is a famous sport gear brand or also a famous shoe brand. So basically this is clear. If you have your own business, then you have to analyze other successful businesses to develop your own business. So this case study is definitely help us to maintain our consistency, our growth in our own startup. So that's why I include this book in my wish list. So after that, the fourth book comes, which is Who Moved My Cheese by Dr. Spencer Johnson. So basically, when you start your business, there is a different scenarios comes in your life where things are not going to happen in your way, and you feel so suffocated in that situation. So this book is going to help you that what you should do when the things are not happen in your way. Means suppose you said something and after some time it renewed completely, then what you should do, how you should react. This book is going to teach you with the help of an fiction story. So that's why I include this book in my list. And that after this, the fifth book is 4-Hour Work Week by Timothy Ferriss, or maybe with Timothy Ferriss. I'm not sure about its pronunciation, so please apologize me for that. So basically this book is talk about passive income or royalty income, in which you have to shift after some time when your startup is grown. Because if you want to expand your business, you have to make time for yourself, and when you want to make time for yourself, then you have to choose some passive income sources which fuels your personal life plus also your startup after a time. So guys, so that's why I include it in my wish list, which I want to read. And after this, here the last book come, which is last but not the least, which is Bhagavad Gita by Lord Krishna. Guys, this book is known as a spiritual book, but I don't think I have this book for a long time, but I haven't read it because I feel prepared for it, because this book have a very deep knowledge, and the knowledge of this book is going to guide you in all aspects of your life. Either it is your personal life, your professional life, your business, your goals, or maybe your some personal problems. This book is going to obviously guide you, but the main thing is that you have to prepare yourself before read any book. And I bought this book for around 2 to 3 months ago, but I haven't read it because I didn't feel prepared for it. But now I feel that I can understand the teachings are mentioned in this book. So now I'm again going to try to read this book. So here are my favorite books which I want to read. If you found this video helpful for you, then like this video and share with your those friends and family who also have the dream to become a businessman or an entrepreneur. So they are get help from these books. And if you are new to this channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon so you can get my video notification personally. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.